Welcome to another capstone project idea presented by inettutor.com. The capstone project, entitled Vaccine Distribution System, is designed for managing records of vaccine distribution and vaccinated patients. The said project will assist the medical frontliners and patients in recording vaccination-related information. Advantages of the vaccine distribution system are the following. 1. Automated recording. Recording of numbers of distributed vaccines and vaccinated patients will be done electronically. 2. Records management. It is a database system which makes the records of vaccination electronic, safe, accurate, reliable and fast. 3. Report generation. The system automatically generate and provide real-time reports related to vaccination. As COVID-19 pandemic struck the Philippines, everyone was in fear and worry about their health. One of the most effective ways to combat coronavirus is through vaccination. As of today, there are already approved vaccines for emergency use that are administered to the Filipinos. Vaccines are distributed to different vaccination centers managed by medical frontliners and are administered to the patients who registered for vaccination. Records management became a challenge in the vaccination campaign to fight COVID-19. The frontliners are in need of an effective system that will streamline the overall process of managing records of vaccines, medical frontliners, vaccination center and patients. The researchers proposed an automated vaccine distribution system as a response to the above-mentioned concerns and needs for vaccination. The system will automate the process of recording numbers of distributed vaccines and vaccinated patients. The proposed system will assist the patients to register and reserve their slots for vaccination. The system will also electronically manage the information of the medical frontliners, patients, vaccination centers and the vaccines. The patients and medical frontliners can easily and conveniently access information they needed for the completion of the vaccination process. The project's general objective is to design and develop a system that will electronically facilitate the process of recording vaccine distribution and vaccinated patients in the different vaccination centers. The success of the project is deemed beneficial to the following individuals or groups. Medical frontliner. The system will assist them in managing records of patients who are vaccinated and those who wants to be vaccinated. Patients. The system will assist them to conveniently reserve their slots for vaccination and register their information. Vaccination centers. Staffs in the vaccination center can easily record and manage the information of the medical frontliners, numbers of vaccines and vaccinated patients in the center. Researchers. The success of the project will contribute to the researchers' knowledge and skills in developing successful systems. Future researchers. If the project will be successful, it can serve as a guide for future researchers in creating updates for the system. This section of the paper will explain the forms, module, and user interface of the vaccine distribution system. We will discuss the features and how the system will work. Admin dashboard. This dashboard serves as the homepage of the system administrator. The dashboard mainly displays the following information. Number of registration. Number of vaccination center. Number of medical frontliner. Vaccination center. This form will allow the admin to encode information about the vaccination centers. The form requires the following information of the vaccination centers. Vaccination center. Complete address. Contact number. View map. Vaccination schedule. This form will allow the admin to manage vaccination schedules of patients. The admin will encode the following information in the vaccination schedule form. Date. Time start. Time end. Vaccination center view map. Slots available. Vaccine name. Vaccination registration. This form will allow the admin to manage information about the different registered vaccination. The following information is required in the vaccination registration form. Complete name. Name of vaccine. Date of first dose. Date of next dose. Vaccinated by frontliner. Doctor comment. Feeling of patient before vaccination. Remarks. Statistics report number of vaccinated by date. This page displays the statistical report about the number of patients vaccinated by date. The report will be presented using a table and graph. Number of vaccinated by center. This form displays the information of the number of patients vaccinated by center. The report will be presented using a table and graph. Number of vaccinated by vaccine. This form will display the information about the number of patients vaccinated by vaccines. The report will be presented using a table and graph. Symptoms report. This form will display the report of the symptoms patients have suffered after vaccination. The report will be presented using a table and graph. Patient dashboard. This dashboard will serve as the home page of the registered patients in the system. The dashboard will display the following information: number of vaccine type, number of vaccination center, vaccination registration. This form will allow the admin to manage information about the different registered vaccination. The following information is required in the vaccination registration form: complete name, name of vaccine, date of first dose, date of next dose, vaccinated by. The implementation of the vaccine distribution system is highly recommended by the researchers. The researchers highlights the importance of the developed system in assisting frontliners for the vaccination program. The developed system will provide an automated way of processing all related information about the vaccination. The researchers recommend that the intended user should adapt the use of the system to ease up records management of vaccination. The intended users of the system should be armed with knowledge on how to correctly use the system in order to correctly utilize the system.
Thank you for watching. For more free capstone projects, ideas and resources, please subscribe and click the notification bell to receive free updates on our channel. You may also reach us on our Facebook page and website.